Hello my happy faces, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riddhi and you are tuned into my channel, Her Happy Face. Today's video is going to be a review video about a new product which has come up by Sugar Cosmetics. Now I'm really excited to show this product to you guys because there aren't many options of translucent powder in the Indian market, and Sugar Cosmetics coming up with the translucent powder is a super yay from my side. If you have watched my previous video on lipstick hack, you would know that using translucent powder for one of my hacks is one of my favorites, that is to make a creamy lipstick more long lasting. And while there aren't many options for loose powders in Indian market, I am so happy to say that Sugar Cosmetics now has an option for translucent powder as well. Like, how cool is that? So here it is, the newly launched translucent powder by Sugar Cosmetics. I have already used this translucent powder thrice and I have some things to say. So if you want to know my thoughts on this, then please keep on watching this video. Now first of all, I want to address why you need translucent powder. Like, why suddenly there's this one product which everyone is talking about, translucent powder, as if foundations and concealers and blush and contour wasn't enough, right? Especially for my oily skin girls, translucent powder is your savior. Basic thing about translucent powder is that it's sheer. It does not really have a color of its own. It's not supposed to provide your face any color or any coverage of any sort. It's basically translucent. What it does is it gets absorbed in your skin and it gets rid of all the excess oil on your face. So it's usually used to make your makeup a little more long lasting, to avoid those creasing of concealer. That was a brief about why you need translucent powder. You can certainly skip using translucent powders. मतलब कोई compulsion नहीं है. If you want, you can totally skip it. If you want, you can totally skip using makeup actually. But I like to use it because I'm an oily skin type. Like, my T-zone is quite oily. Okay, now let me move on to how the product looks. The outer packaging is green in color. It has product information written at the back of it, and it has that classic sugar lady. Although this lady is like this and the translucent powder is like this, obviously doesn't really make a difference, which is just a normal observation. It is the all set to go translucent powder. It is a cruelty free product, and that is what it says on the outer packaging also. This is how the packaging of the actual product is. It's very basic, not a very fancy packaging. It's very basic. I think it's glass, but I'm not sure. I don't want to drop it and check it, okay? It does have product details mentioned here. It also has the expiry and the manufacture date, so it's obviously useful if you can get rid of the outer packaging. You have something to refer to for the expiry. It is a 7 gram of product which retails for rupees 5.99. I have tried the e.l.f. loose powder and the Makeup Revolution loose powder. The Makeup Revolution one was, I think, around 700 to 800, I'm not too sure, and the e.l.f. one is so very cheap because that brand itself is very cheap. When I open this, then I see a puff which you can use to, just powder your face. This is the actual product which is inside. There is a lot of spill out of the loose powder, which I also have to talk to you about. Before I actually show you how to use this product, I have to talk about the packaging because it's something which I'm not really happy about. So when I started using it, I did face a practical problem that this is the entire holes of the packaging, and this is where the product comes out of, and I have to use this. I have to use, like, the powder will come from the entire thing. It's not that I can limit myself that I don't want a lot of powder, I just want half of it to come off. For my e.l.f. I can actually open my lid and dip in my brush, and I have the privilege of deciding what quantity of product do I want to use. Like, I have this luxury banana powder by Makeup Revolution. What I like is, like, I can just dip, just put my loose powder, whatever quantity of loose powder I want to have, and then just dip in my brush. But here I have to do like this, get the product on the puff. You can obviously see a lot of spillage on my hands as well, and then use it. Now the mirror, as much as I'm happy that it has a mirror, the problem with it is that the mirror does not go beyond this point. You cannot take it downwards. This is the maximum the mirror goes. Now why I see this as a problem is, if I do like this, I cannot see my face. I have to tilt the product and then see my face and then apply it. I mean, it doesn't really is functional for me. I have some examples with you to show. Like, for this MAC Studio Fix, I can open it and I can take it till here. I can just literally do like this and do my makeup. Even for the Becca Champagne Pop, it opens up not till here but till here. But for this, this is the maximum it can go. I found it a little less practical. Now enough said about the outer packaging. I'm sorry if I was too harsh on it. I will move on to how the translucent powder actually looks like. It's very sheer. If you see here, I've taken a little bit on my finger and I'm just rubbing it on my hands, and it literally melts into my finger, and that is exactly what it does on my face as well. Let me just quickly show you how it works on my face. But let me just give it a shot. And I'm just baking my under eyes. I have used some concealer just to get that excess oil off my face. I also like to use this translucent powder on my T-zone because that's where I get the most oil on my face, and also on my upper lip area and my chin area. Now this is the problem which I'm telling. There's a lot of fallout. Like, can you see there's a lot of fallout here? I really wish that I could open this lid. I'm really not sure if I can, like, because I tried and the only thing which I could do was to hamper my nails. You can use any powder foundation, but I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix and just see how comfortably I'm using it. That's the only problem which I have with that translucent powder. But I'm just going to dust off. I'm not going to let it sit for a very long time because, you know, that can just, you know, excessively dry your skin and then you will see a lot of dryness. Just going to brush off all the translucent powder which I just applied. And yes, this is my face. It's definitely more matte than what it was before because otherwise I'm like a very oily girl. And now I'm actually gonna try this translucent powder for some time and show you how this works on my skin and if I do get some oil on my face or not. It is 7 p.m. right now and exactly 2 hours after. Oh, by the way, I'm holding this because we're heading back home and we have some snacks from Satviko. But yeah, my makeup looks pretty much as it was. No creasing whatsoever on my under eyes and my lipstick is also quite intact, although I've had another coffee and some watermelon and some boiled eggs. But yep. It is 10:10 right now and my lipstick has completely gone because we had lots of mangoes. Makeup is still intact and we're going out right now to meet some friends, and just look at the makeup, it's still right there. And I think this translucent powder is no oil on my face whatsoever. Lipstick, of course, I've changed because that cannot last that long, but overall I think the makeup game is still quite strong and it's what Pone ache right now. Sleepy. And since I'm wearing a cream lipstick, let me just take the opportunity to use a little bit of this loose powder on my lips to make my lipstick more like on the matte side. I would just use a little bit of this translucent powder on my lips and just dab it. And the best part is that you can actually see how this loose powder is amazing because the loose powder just glides into my lips. It's so sheer and so translucent that it just melts into my lipstick, and yep, voila, you have it, a more matte looking lipstick and definitely more long lasting. Now there are other ways in which you can use translucent powder. You can use it on your lashes, like you can use a coat of this loose powder dipped into your mascara and then use it and then apply your mascara. It would give your eyelashes a very thicker look. If you're feeling that your scalp is very oily, you can use a little bit of this loose powder and just dab that loose powder here. You will feel that the translucent powder has, you know, gotten rid of all the excess oil on your scalp. If you want, I can do like a separate video on how to use translucent powder, so let me know in the comment section below if you want to see that, because I'm not going to take this in this video because this is a review about this product and that would make this video super duper long. My skin definitely feels very soft because I have used that loose powder and that has melted into my skin. Product is really nice, but the packaging, there is something missing in the packaging. Like, there is something missing in the packaging. So this marks an end to the review of the All Set to Go translucent powder by Sugar Cosmetics. Only problem, as I said, is the packaging of the product. Otherwise, I feel the product is really nice, and as compared to ELF and Makeup Revolution loose powders which I have, I think this is super nice. And for $5.99 for 7 grams of product, it's really not that bad. And obviously you can get hold of some discounts on Nykaa or Sugar Cosmetics website because they always run discounts. And if you like this video, then you know what to do. Give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I come up with videos every Thursday, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Here is the new product launch. Here is the new product launch. The Sugar Cosmetics newly launched is the Puff Oopsie. Feeling quite hot, and just let it melt into your skin.